We'll guide you through how to install an APK in BlueStacks. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're now going to go and hand over the video to Pauser.
The first thing that you need to do is have BlueStacks installed. Just go to the pinned comment and the description of this video and just click on the link. This is an affiliate link that supports the channel at no extra cost to you. And then after clicking on the link, you will land in this interface. So just go ahead and click on download BlueStack and follow the setup prompt to download BlueStack successfully. Just open any browser to your liking and then just go ahead and search for APK mirror and hit enter. Go to the official website, and then once that you are in the website, go to the search bar and search for the APK that you want to download. So let's say I want to download WhatsApp. So I'll just search for WhatsApp and hit enter. And now once that you have done that, you will see WhatsApp. So just go ahead and click on the instances for WhatsApp and close any ads by just clicking on close. And then once that you have done that, just click on scroll to available downloads and you will see bundles. So basically just choose any bundle that you want to download. So let's say I want to download this particular bundle. So I'll just click on it and then scroll down and you will see two options. You will see download APK and download APK bundle. So basically go with the download APK, and then once done, just go to your BlueStacks, and then in the home screen at the right hand side, you will see a small APK icon. Just go ahead and click on that and your file explorer will open. So just choose your APK that you downloaded and click on open, and then it will say installing app. So just wait for the installation to complete. And now once finished, you will see the app appear on your BlueStack home screen. And that's it. That's how you install an APK in BlueStacks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.